All right, the second part is to make the charts. So to make the charts, we're going to go to Insert, Chart, and then we're going to click on this icon, and we're going to tell it that we want it to chart this column versus the hours of use column. And I can see my data table where my devices are set up against hours of use. We're then going to go over to chart types, and we want to select the first column one that they have. All right. So I can see here it gives me a key that the blue stands for hours of use. And my column makes sense compared to my numbers because I know that these two are both in the 90s. All right. The last part of this is I'm going to go to customization. I'm going to change the chart title to hours of use. And I'm going to go down here and change the horizontal axis. Right, these are our devices. And then the vertical axis is going to be hours. I mean, you can mess around with some of the colors and all that, but this is the big idea. Is the graph should have a title, and then spelled hours wrong, and then hours in there. When I click Insert, it's going to make the graph, and I would just sort of maybe size it up here so it's about the same width as the data table, and that looks good. For the second chart, you're going to go through and do the same thing using your directions. The only difference is you're going to tell it to you're going to use a different range. You're going to use F1 to F4. Your cost per year, you're going to arrange that against your devices, and then you're going to change your titles around, obviously. But that should get you through making the charts.